Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. Now we are at fifth part of the subseries built-in functions. In the last video, we learned about casting between types. Now we will see how to use convert function to perform same kind of casting. So like cast function, convert function also allows conversion as well as format style. So if you see, cast function will perform conversion, but the convert function will perform conversion as well as perform format style on the converted type. So it takes three parameters. First one is the target type. So suppose if you are having a decimal and if you want to convert that as a string will be the target type. So this is actual value to convert. Then third parameter is the formatting style. So there are variety of formatting style available. So you can refer Microsoft document site or MSDN to know what are all the available formatting styles. So you can also use try cast and try convert function, because in the previous video we learned about cast and here we are discussing about the convert function. So there are other flavor also, try cast and try convert. These will perform conversion, and when conversion fails, null is returned to the caller. So this try cast and try convert is available from SQL Server 2012. So here is an example for convert function. Here we use pubs database, and if you see, we pick title, price. Here we are multiplying it with 126 and we are calling it as a calculated price. So here if you see, we perform the convert varchar of 12. So that's the target type. So this calculate price, or this price is not string based one or varchar or character based one. So this is a decimal. So decimal or money. So we are converting that as a varchar. So this is the source. Here if you look at param to actual value to convert, so this is what we want to convert, price into 126. This is what we want to convert, and we want to convert it into varchar of 12. So this one is the format style. Here we are asking to, so by specifying one, here we are asking to place a comma separated value. Say for example 1246. Comma separated means it will be at a thousands place, 1000 decimal place, we will get a comma 1246. So that's the formatting here. Using convert, we asked for a formatting. Then there is one more example. Here we take a date. So pub date is a date field, right? Here we are using the convert. So target is again varchar. Source, we are converting it as a varchar. The source is actually a date. And here if you see the formatting style 103, That means it's a British French format. So we are converting the date into British French format by specifying different value. If you see, we are converting the same date into different form. So the first one converts the date into varchar and it keeps the date format in a British French format. The second one is in German format. Third one is Italian, and the fourth one is the USA format. So as already told, you can refer Microsoft documentation to know all other available formatting styles. That's all here. So we use the titles table from pubs database and we use columns title and price as well as publisher date. Using that, we are experimenting the convert function here. Now it's time we will go to demo and see how the convert function is working. Okay, here we are using the pubs database. Let's execute this query. It was already explained in the PowerPoint slide. Alright, now if you see title is displayed here. Next comes the price. We call it as calculated price because we are multiplying that with 126. I mean multiplying the price with 126, and we call that as calc price with a alias name, and this is the calculated price. Here we are using the convert function. We are converting this price into 126. This is what we are converting. Value we want to convert is price into 126, and the target type is varchar 12. Format is 1, that means at 1000 separator you can see a comma. So here it is 2518. Here in the convert function you can see a comma is placed at 1000 decimal place. Next we use publisher date for a demo purpose. So this comes from the titles table. We convert the publisher date into British format by specifying the format specifier 103. So this is the British French format, and if you see there is a slash that is separating the date parts, and in German format dot is the separator, and format 104 specifies German. In Italian, if you see hyphen is specified, and in USA also it's hyphen, but in European format, British, French, German, Italian, in all the cases, if you see, what comes first is the date, next comes the month, and finally year. But in US, if you say month is first, then date, finally year. So that's the USA format. Here it's in SQL Server format, year, month, and date. I mean day. Alright, now we saw an example of convert function. You can refer Microsoft documentation for more information about the convert function. And here you are seeing the built-in function syntax convert. First one is the target type. Next one is the expression we want to convert. And third one is the date style small int. Just now we saw the demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.